Namaste dear students. Today in this video we'll be learning about the basic traditions of the family. Thank you. Welcome to Sociology, second part of family. The family is a basic tradition. So in this chapter, in this video we'll be learning about the basics of tradition. What is that we will be learning in the instructions of tradition? Family includes several generations. So first let us understand what is tradition. Tradition is something what we have been learning from ages together, and these are the rituals. It may be rituals, it may be functions, the way in which we perform functions, the way in which we offer prayers to the God, the way in which the rituals and festivals are carried out in certain rules, with certain rules that we have learned from our parents or grandparents. So tradition is something that we have been carrying out from ages together. So let us understand here the family includes several generations. It includes the kinship. The outlines of the family between the grandparent, grandmother, grandfather and its siblings. It teaches us that the grandparent make the first generation, parents makes the second generation along with the children, and parents, grandparents along with their children are called as a third generation. Like this, there are basic teachings of the traditions. Here we'll understand the generation. Who are called as generations and how is it called as second generation, third generation and extended generation. What is generation? Generations is which, as I told you, the ancestors are our generation. Parents and their children are the following of the generation. So here we'll understand the family of father, mother and children is called as a second generation family. The family that includes grandparents, children is called as a family of third generation. A family that has grandparents, parents and grandchildren are called as a extended family. So we have seen this slide, and in this slide there are 3 points which gives us an information of second generation, third generation and extended types of family. There are 3 types of family in the following nature. What are these 3 types of family? There are many specific traditions in the family based on their geographical position and communities. The sociologist and anthropologist. Who is sociologist and anthropologist? They are the people who studies about the society and the generation and the existing social aspect, the existing generations of the family. So you find the people who studies about the sociology and they are called as a sociologist. Anthropologists are the people who studies about the family and their existence in the society. Have defined as a type of family on the basis of its structures of the family. As already mentioned, the family is organized on the basis of generation. For children who are born into a family of husband and wife, that family becomes a center of its existence. A family that has more generation living together is called as a joint family. So here there are 3 types of family. Family based on kinship, family based on residence of spouse, matriarchal residence and patriarchal residence, and on the basis of ancestor or a descent, the family is also classified as matrilineal and patrilineal family. So before understanding what is matrilineal and patrilineal, let's know what is matriarchal and patriarchal. Matriarchal residents are those type of residents where mothers owns the house and she is the head of the family. So here mother becomes a head of the family. Whereas patriarchal is an opposite of it, where patriarchal is father is the head of the family and he owns the house, he is the owner of the house. So here in matriarchal and patriarchal, you find the residence of mother as matriarchal and fathers as patriarchal. Not just that, but you will also understand in detail in the coming slide. On the basis of the ancestor and descendant, the family is also classified into matrilineal and patrilineal family. So we'll understand what is matrilineal family, what is patrilineal. Here, the types of family: matriarchal family. Mother is the head of the family. She is not just a head of the family, even the property right and the succession of the property goes to the daughter, then the son. So matriarchal family, the right of the property and the successorship belongs to the women. The right of the property passes from one person, that is from mother to the daughter. Matriarchy is practiced among the communities in coastal areas of Karnataka. It is found among the Nayars of Kerala, among some tribes in northeast, and in nutshell, matriarchy means mother-centric or mother-centered family system. The rights of the property belongs to the women and hereditary rights passes from daughter to their children, that is from mother to daughter and from daughter to her children. Whereas in patriarchal family, your father is considered as a head of the family and the property and other rights are centered around men. In patriarchal family, married women live in the residence of their husband. In this family, the system of the eldest son has a prominent role in religious ceremony. Patriarchal family is universally accepted family. In most part of the world, you find only patriarchal family, then the matriarchal family. So the family were present in ancient time during the societies of Greece, Rome, India and China. They are present even to these days. What is modern family? Based on the structures and generation living together, the family are divided into nuclear and joint family or even extended family. The family that consists of mother, father and their unmarried children are considered as nuclear family, whereas the family and these type of family are common in the modern society. Individual attentions, individual achievements, concept of individual happiness, change in values based system regarding property, process of achieving certain things, or it may be even in the field of science, technology, rapid urbanization, democratic values and the concept of equality and many other things have contributed to the rise of nuclear family. There are certain salient features of this modern nuclear family, such as they are small in size, simple in social control, and more of freedom given to the members of the people, and they favor modern technology and complexity. So there is not much of hassles, but the independence is given more. So joint family, it is consists of the grandparents and their children and their grandchildren. It is normally consists grandfather, grandmother, their children and their grandchildren and their great grandchildren. In some situation, the members belongs to extent to generation and they all share a common kitchen and the food are prepared in a common kitchen. The whole family has the same kind of religious ceremony and they generally consist of the blood group or relative. After hearing this, I need you students to write these 3 answers, mention the importance of tradition, what are extended family, and mention the type of family. Please follow the video and write these answers in your classroom.